Hello friends, welcome to my channel Botanical Studies. In this video, we will discuss about discovery and general characters of bacteria, part 1. Bacteria is a big topic. So, for the sake of convenience, we have divided the bacteria topic into 4 different parts. In the first part, we will discuss about introduction, discovery and general characters of bacteria. In the second part, cell structure and types of bacteria. In the third part, reproduction in bacteria. And the fourth, last part, we will study the economic importance of bacteria. As this is the first part of bacteria video, we will discuss about introduction, discovery and general characters of bacteria. Let us discuss about introduction of bacteria. The term bacterium was coined by Ehrenberg. Bacteriology, it is the branch of biology, deals with the study of bacteria. And bacteriologist is a person who study the bacteria. Bacteria are most abundant group of microorganisms found in nature. The bacteria are unicellular prokaryotic microorganisms. The bacteria are neither plant-like nor animal-like. Therefore, they are raised to the kingdom Monera. Anton van Leeuwenhoek discovered this microorganism with his simple microscope. Discovery of bacteria. Anton van Leeuwenhoek in Holland in 1674 discovered bacterial suspension from dental plaque termed as animalcules. In 1767, Linnaeus classified bacteria under name Chaus infusoria. Mueller classified bacteria in 1773 as Vibrio and in 1788 as Monos. Ehrenberg in 1829 established the genus Bacterium means stuff in Greek language. He also discovered two more genera, namely Spirillum and Spirochete. Later on, Louis Pasteur discovered fermentation process, pasteurization and vaccines. Then in 1857, Nageli coined the term schizomycetes and correlate bacteria to fungi, while in 1875, Weigert stained bacteria with methyl violet dye. In 1876, Robert Koch found that bacteria as a source of disease anthrax bacillus and awarded Nobel Prize in 1905. Paul Ehrlich in between 1954 to 1915 introduced the theory of bacterial diseases action and immune system mechanism. Albert Neisser in 1879 discovered gonococcus bacteria which cause gonorrhea. In 1880, Carl Joseph Ebert isolated typhoid bacillus. Charles Louis Alphonse Leverrier in 1880 discovered parasite of malaria. Robert Koch in 1882 isolated tuberculobacillus as a causative agent of tuberculosis. Carl Friedlander in 1882 discovered Klebsiella pneumoniae. Burrill in 1878 worked on fire blight disease in apples and pears. Gram in 1884 introduced the Gram staining technique for bacteria. Beijerinck in 1888 isolated root nodule bacteria and in 1901 isolated Azotobacter crococcum and Azotobacter agilis. Wacker in 1889 proved yellow disease of hyacinth caused due to bacteria. Shibesuboro, Kitasato and Alexander Yersin in 1894 discovered plague bacillus. Ronald Ross in 1898 discovered malarial parasite in the salivary glands of Anopheles mosquito. Elie Metchnikoff in 1900 suggested synergistic interaction between bacteria and their host. Sir Alexander Fleming in 1929 discovered penicillin and known as father of antibiotics. Let us discuss now the general characters of bacteria. Bacteria are found everywhere in the soil, in water, in air, including our body. They exist everywhere. Bacteria are prokaryotic organisms belonging to kingdom Monera without definite cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, mitochondria, etc. They are microscopic, unicellular, occur singly or in groups to form colonies. They range in size from 0.5 micron to 3 micron in their length. They are exist in various forms, maybe spheres, rod, spiral, or filamentous. They possess rigid cell wall or cell envelope called as capsule. Inside the capsule, there is a cell wall, plasma membrane, and protoplasm. The cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan and lipopolysaccharide. Due to absence of well-defined nucleus, DNA is not enclosed in a nuclear membrane. Extra chromosomal DNA called plasmid may be present in the cytoplasm. Cell organelle, that is, ribosomes, are scattered in the cytoplasmic matrix, which is 70S type. Membrane-bound cell organelles such as lysosomes, Golgi complex, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum are absent. Majority of bacteria are heterotrophic, while some are autotrophic. Autotrophic bacteria possesses bacteriochlorophyll. The motile bacteria possesses flagella on the body. In some bacteria, pili are present. Bacteria shows absorptive mode of nutrition. Bacteria are classified into either gram-positive or gram-negative. The common method of multiplication is binary fission. Some bacteria produces endospores. They reproduces asexually by formation of conidiospores, budding, fragmentation, etc. Sexual reproduction absent, but genetic recombination occurs through conjugation, transformation, and transduction. So this is all about introduction, discovery, and general characters of bacteria.